Today we're going to be discussing the truth behind Shiba Inu Coin's 1/10 of a cent valuation. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of how many Shiba Inu Coin you have, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu Coin army is, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. I'm going to be setting a like goal of 200 likes for this video, so if you guys could help us out with that, that would be awesome. And really quickly, I do want to mention there is a way to get some free Shiba Inu Coin. If you guys are interested, then go ahead and use the first link in the description, get signed up with Public, deposit $1 on Public, and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can then sell and invest into Shiba Inu Coin, get some free SHIB with that first link in the description. Not only that, but if you guys have not already joined our private Discord, what are you doing? We give our buy and sell alerts out on there. We have issued a ton of buy alerts, so if you guys want to see all of the different things that we are buying in there, then go ahead and get signed up with the second link in the description. All you have to do is get signed up to this tier right here. You'll get our buy and sell alerts as well as private Discord access. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So we are down about 1% today, and today we're going to be talking about the truth behind a 1/10 of a cent valuation for Shiba Inu Coin. A lot of you guys know that I think we are going to ascend by the end of the year, and today we're going to be talking, putting things into perspective about a valuation up that high, obviously. So if you guys want to hear that, and then also my technical analysis at the end of the video, make sure you guys stick around till the end of the video. Okay, but let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video. It is going to be coming from thecoinperspective.com. So basically what this website kind of does, and this is not a sponsor, by the way, we are not getting paid by them to do this. I just thought it was very interesting and has some really good points to kind of point out. But basically it helps you put different cryptocurrencies into perspective. So basically you can pit different cryptocurrencies up against each other and then kind of compare it to other cryptocurrencies market caps to see how much it would have to go up in order to get there, or if it had that market cap, how much it would be worth at that point. So let's first go over basically how much Shiba Inu Coin would be worth if, say, we got to Dogecoin's levels. If we got to Dogecoin's market cap, then she would be worth about 38, which is going to be at that third resistance right there. That would be very awesome. But that's not what we're here to talk about, is it? Let's get into some of the more juicy stuff. If we compare it to, say, hey, Cardano at a $39 billion valuation, that would be a 141% increase, and Shiba Inu Coin would then be worth about 71. Now we're entering territories where we're getting to closer to all-time highs. Obviously, our all-time highs were over here at the 86 level, but the candlesticks really kind of wore out at that 77 level, that 82 level, depending on what type of graph you are using. But here's where it gets extremely interesting. Let's compare it to Binance. So if we were to get to Binance Coin's market cap right now, and you guys have to remember, we're in a very bearish part of the cycle right now. Right now, if you look at the cryptocurrencies, everything is down like a massive amount. Like obviously not as down as much in the last 24 hours, but I mean, Ethereum's down 14%, Binance is down 13%. So these are relatively low levels. But if Shiba Inu Coin was to go to Binance Coin's market cap of 76 billion, one SHIB would be worth, and that is going to be 1/100th of a penny right here, which would be about a 369% upside. And you have to start to think, wow, I mean, Shiba Inu Coin is a really amazing coin. Are we going to be able to get to that? I think we can get to Binance Coin's market cap and be that third cryptocurrency right in there. And I think that is very, very achievable. And especially with all the burns and stuff we have coming up, I think this is definitely an achievable thing. And I'll tell you why I think Shiba Inu Coin can get to this. But really, the one thing I did want to bring up is Bitcoin's market cap. And if we got to Bitcoin's market cap, what we would be worth. And you can see here, if we had Bitcoin's market cap of 792 billion, one SHIB would be worth, and you guessed it, 1/10 of a cent, and 40, whatever. But 1/10 of a cent SHIB would be worth if we got Bitcoin's market cap. And that is with Bitcoin being at a $792 billion market cap. We're over $1 trillion for a good amount of time there. And we really just came back down to these $800 billion area. In the past couple of days. So we could definitely see she would get up there. Now, what are the market conditions going to have to be like to get there, you might be asking? And that is a fair question to be asking. But I think we're going to have to go on a massive crypto bull run where Bitcoin is worth, $3 to $4 trillion. And to put into perspective, gold is worth much more than, I believe, $10 trillion. I believe it's much more than that. And a lot of people compare cryptocurrency to be the next gold. Obviously, it's not something tangible you have, but in terms of market cap. So if Bitcoin were to be $3 to $4 trillion, there is a world where Shiba Inu Coin could also be in that 800 to $1 trillion range, if we are having that massive of a bull run in crypto, because Shiba Inu Coin is going to be one of the biggest coins. So this is something to think about. A 1/10 of a penny valuation is not far-fetched whatsoever, in my opinion. But let's go over why I think that. This is going to be very brief. We've gone over this multiple times. This is going to be our Twitter account right here. You can follow us at It's Finance Bro if you would like. But here's 5 reasons to keep buying SHIB in 2022. So this is what we have coming up. If we do have this crypto bull run that I think we'll have in 2022, Shiba Inu Coin could easily, get to those 1/10 of a penny levels, and also possibly even ascend. But let's go over it. So Shibarium, if you guys don't know, Shibarium will be coming out too, and it is SHIB's layer 2 Ethereum blockchain. You guys can watch all of my our previous videos to see our thoughts on all these things. But we also have ShibaNet, which is going to be a decentralized marketplace. We're going to have Shiba Inu Coin games. We have 2 games coming out, 1 card game and 1 video game, where we're partnered with AAA Studio, Playside Studios. We're also going to have the Doggy DAO, which is already being rolled out as we speak, and that basically gives all the investors a say in voting rights on where this coin goes. And then also we're going to have NFTs, which we already have some NFTs out, but we're going to continue to do that in 2022 as well. So yeah, that's why I think Shiba Inu Coin could definitely hit that 1/10 of a penny level come 2022, or even a penny possibly. But let's talk about the crypto market and how Shiba is doing right now. You can see here the global crypto market is sitting at about 1.98 trillion, a 3% decrease. And we've kind of bottomed out here, I think, guys. And I really do think this. I mean, if you just look at Bitcoin, you can see here, I don't want to look at the market of Bitcoin, I want to look at the chart. You can see here that we have been very level, just trading to the right pretty much all day. And that is going to be the same for Shiba Inu Coin as well, sitting at that 13th spot in terms of market cap still. We are also trading very tightly between that 28 and that 29 and that 30 level. We're trading to the right. We're not trading down, we're trading to the right, which is very, very good to see here. Definitely with this little recovery we've had over the past couple of hours here. But yeah, so we've been trading to the right, and that leads me to believe we've kind of hit a bottom here, but we'll have to see where we open tomorrow. A good thing to see is, though, we're outperforming both Ethereum and Bitcoin today, so that is very good to see. Anyways, let's go over the technical analysis now, and you can see here that Shiba Inu Coin has been trading between these 4 zones, and 3 zones. It's going to be the 36 and the 40, the 32 and the 36, and then also the 28 and the 32. Right now we're trading between this 28 and the 32, and it looks like we have held support very well above this 28. This is going to be the magic number here, guys. If we stay above this 28, we will be good. And if we don't, then we could be seeing the low 20s, but that is something to think about when that actually happens. If it happens, I don't think it'll happen. We are now trending up on the MACD, which is great to see, and then we are having an RSI of about 45 right now, which is closer to being oversold than overbought. So when I wake up tomorrow, I expect Shiba Inu Coin to open in the green. That's just personally how I see it. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on the video, as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Also comment how much Shiba Inu Coin you have, and then let's hit that like goal of 200 likes. If you guys have not hit the like already, go ahead and do that now. We can see here Shiba is now green on the day. If you guys want some free Shiba Inu Coin, then go ahead and use the first link in the description. Deposit $1 on Public, and you'll get up to $70 worth of free stock that you can sell and invest right back into Shiba Inu Coin. Get yourself some free SHIB with that first link in the description. And guys, I cannot stress this enough. If you guys want to get our buy and sell alerts, then go ahead and get signed up to our private Discord. You're going to get private Discord access to an awesome community, as well as seeing every time we buy and sell crypto. So use that second link in the description if you are interested. Yeah, I'll be bringing you guys 2 more videos today, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. But yeah, I hope to see you in the next video. My name is Zach, and peace.